Twaikahari Chizoba Girls Secondary School mugombora ya Chizoba mu Rushayin District kandi twashanga abana babishiki ebyizo bakabinywa kamizi bine no inoboneri 19.
Unto him that should our candles excel, we shall come back in this very place and give glory unto him. Let us appreciate him. Praise the Lord. He has been faithful, and that is how he is. Shall we appreciate him the more?
Dr. Catherine Wajira mukuru w'ishomereri araganise ngo bijagumano bakora kurunji mukama ry'umuhwezi wabo.
Abwa performance yiti y'abana ba A-level abana bakozireje munonga tukashitamisa abana igana nshanjo mu senior 6 makugu ahwire bona biza bashikire bona bine 3 principal passes kandi okukirayo abana bashikire sciences.
Dr. Catherine Najang na endo mwana w'umushiki wa Chizoba kwara rujeyo abe nabasa kuhayahayana nohereze university omiyogetari yemwe nemwe.
N'amasomantu bashimese byabuze byo mu class na kikonka tutahona mani minji kugira ngo umwana yargaha uya kwa mazire senior 4 ninga senior 6 nkage nyawasa kwasa kwekosa kugira ngo batumutire mu skills tune skills zo kuteka iza ICT na nebindi byona ebitukubantu bahereze myoga.
I've been offering PEM/ICT at Chizoba Girls last year. I've made it to 19. Really, I thank God. I thank the school for the chances, for the better education they have given us.
Offering BCM/ICT, I managed to get 19. Thanks goes to the headmistress.
Omugandi kurugigara West Nyavare Secondary School mugombora ya Nyavare bino mwejo hireo bonero 20 combination ya PCM/ICT.
Iza kushima abashomesa banshomise ngona mushonda zone ndarike nsime na administration kunda abukuba umukusoma kwanje tira kimbire nimburwa.
Bakuru b'ishomero ya Nyavare Secondary School n'abajyangu bo batandika ngo habo kuba ahiba kuzabatandikire kuranzayo.
Babemba kuruza abashomesa babatire mwamani babashomesa mwenje tubaretire performance ejo y'abantu so nisima abashomesa nsimana n'abazire babo kubasupportinga
nebintu ebitukoresa because we have a well stocked library, a well-stocked laboratory, and we have committed staff who are handling the science subjects, and the administration is supportive.
Rosias Asimwe mukuru w'ishomereri nagira ngo nubenda amashomero ga government gona gegera hari Nyavare omukintu cy'emicwe no korese mukono
mwene wija Nyavare tare cyo kwasa kumisinga cyona
gasha kwa mai kwa twachiri.